Hello and welcome to my video today. I'm going to be giving an update on the 12-volt battery in my Fisker Ocean. So let's get started. In March of 2025, I installed a sodium battery in my Fisker Ocean. It was with the H4 size, and it seemed to work pretty well for a period of time. However, about 5 months into use, the car started having issues maintaining the voltage on the battery. It developed very high vampire losses, and I ended up having to remove the battery from the car. I sent it back to Lithium Moto to let them do an analysis and see if there's any problems with it. And what happened is they sent me a second battery and actually a third battery later on. None of them worked quite right. In fact, the last one, I couldn't even get it to install correctly and maintain voltage. And that's even after doing multiple IBS resets. So at this point, I'm not going to experiment anymore with the sodium batteries. It seems very odd that there are some owners that have had no issues with their sodium batteries and others that have had the same problems that I've experienced. It's hard to say what the reason is for this problem. I think the IBS in the battery management system of the Ocean is too closely looking for the AGM chemistry, and that will cause issues if you use something else like a lithium iron phosphate or a sodium battery in its place. So just to let you know, my opinion on the matter is for best performance and least number of issues, I recommend staying with the AGM lead acid H4 size battery. And if you need to replace the battery in your Ocean, that's what you need to use. So since last summer, I've been using the Uplus H4 AGM. And I must say that for an inexpensive battery that is anywhere from $125 to $140 on Amazon, it's performed pretty well for me. I keep track using a Bluetooth 12-volt battery monitor, and this app can be installed on a phone or an AI box. And in addition, my Ocean has OS 2.6.1 and the O-Loop phone app, and allows me to access battery monitoring. I can see the voltage and battery health. And that has hovered anywhere from a low of 65% in the winter to about 75% currently during the summer as far as state of health goes. The voltage stays in the 12.4 to 13.0 range when it's sitting idle, and it never dips below 12.0 volts. And of course, when the car is in ready mode, I see the normal 14 to 14.1 volts when the car is running. Vampire losses are currently less than 1%, and I keep the car on the 2-hour energy mode setting. Hopefully this will keep working well over the next 12 months or more, and I'll keep you all posted if I have any changes in a future video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.